In this video, we're going to go over a connected device for iPhone called BlueDriver. What this can do is scan the computer in your vehicle for diagnostics and error codes. When the check engine light comes on in your car, the vehicle's computer has detected a problem somewhere in the system that's represented by a code. With a scanning device like BlueDriver, you can quickly see what the reason is for the check engine light being on. The BlueDriver device is just a small black box that plugs into your car's OBD2 port. The vast majority of cars sold in the last decade plus have this port. Once plugged in, the device then connects to your iPhone via Bluetooth, and information is sent to the BlueDriver app. So let's take a look at a few of the main features of BlueDriver. First, we can read codes that the vehicle may be transmitting. Not every code is going to cause a check engine light, so it's possible you might see codes in here despite having no current issues with your vehicle. Tap the read button up here to do a new scan of the vehicle. We're able to scan for only check engine light codes, other dash lights, or your entire system. Currently, my vehicle is not sending any codes, which is good. If a code is detected by the BlueDriver app, it's going to let me know what that code means, what the causes might be, and most importantly, possible fixes. This gives the user a ton of information and a big advantage before needing to take the car into a mechanic. You'll most likely already know what needs to be fixed before anyone else looks at your vehicle. We can also use BlueDriver to clear these codes. This is something that's done by mechanics after fixes are made. But being able to do this on your own can prevent false alarms. If your check engine light comes on, but your car is still operating normally, you're able to clear the code with BlueDriver and then see if the check engine light comes back on. If it doesn't, there was probably just a false alarm or a temporary glitch of some kind that caused the error. Now let's take a look at the Smog Check function. Most vehicles have to undergo a regular smog check every year or two here in the US. This function can give you a good idea if your car will pass its smog test prior to taking it in and paying for the test. If errors are found, you want to have those corrected before doing an official smog test. Now let's jump over into the live section of the app. This will give you a real-time look at a wide variety of gauges that might not be on your dashboard. So the car is moving right now. As you can see, my speed and RPM here at the top. But we can also see intake manifold pressure, coolant temperature, and the current engine load. As I accelerate, we see that information change. Tap the Settings button to view a wide variety of measurements from different systems that can be added to the live view. Speed and RPM are always available in my instrument cluster, so I might want to turn those off. Just tap to activate or deactivate each item. Which items you'll want to activate for your particular vehicle are going to vary, but as you can see, there are many to choose from. So as you're moving, the BlueDriver app will display all this info in real time on your iPhone. The BlueDriver device is available for $100 on Amazon. Setup is really simple. Just plug in the device to your car, install the free app, and then connect your phone to the BlueDriver device via Bluetooth. If you have any questions about the BlueDriver device or any of our other tutorials for iPhone, iPad, and Mac, feel free to send an email to info@themacu.com. Thanks for watching.